Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set vertical axis title in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up Google Sheets. Here it opens up like this. From here we just have to select the document that we want to work on. And inside the document we have to select the chart. And then tap on the pencil icon in the top right corner. Then tap on titles. And then tap on left vertical axis title. Here we can set the title of this axis to whatever we want to. For example, views. And then tap on update title. As you can see, it's displayed here like this. Then we can just tap on OK to save it. Then you can see it's here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.